Are you thinking of starting a business? A partnership is a great way for people to come together and collaborate on making a profit. But what are the advantages and disadvantages of a partnership? And what should you have in place to make sure that that partnership is going to be successful? So what is a partnership? A partnership is where two or more persons come together to carry on a business with a view to make a profit. A fun fact is that even if people come together without a partnership agreement or without registering an LLP at company's house, so long as the definition is met, a partnership is created automatically. If there is no partnership agreement in place, that means that the partners will share the profits and the debts of the partnership equally between them. This might be unsuitable. For example, if you have invested a lot more money than the other partner, you might want to have a partnership agreement in place that specifies that you'll be entitled to a proportionate amount of profits according to how much money you have invested into that partnership. A partnership is not a limited company. A partnership has partners, whilst a limited company, also known as an LTD, has directors and shareholders. There are three main types of partnerships: the general partnership, the limited partnership, and the limited liability partnership, also known as the LLP. In a general partnership, all of the partners have unlimited liability. So that means that they are personally liable for the debts of that partnership, meaning they are risking their car and their home as personal assets. In a limited partnership, at least one of the partners has limited liability and at least one has unlimited liability. When it comes to limited liability, the specific partner will only be risking the amount of money that they've actively invested into that business. So, for example, if they've invested £100, they're only risking up to £100. In a limited liability partnership, all of the partners benefit from limited liability. So again, they are only risking the money that they have invested into the partnership. There are many other factors that you might want to consider when deciding which partnership is right for you. These can include tax considerations, but also filing requirements. So, for example, an LLP, limited liability partnership, has to be registered at company's house and has to disclose certain documents on the public register that everyone can access online. I'm Malcolm Zoppi, a qualified solicitor and the managing director of GZ Legal. GZ Legal is a boutique corporate and commercial law firm that specializes in drafting commercial contracts and conducting corporate law work, such as helping people buy and sell businesses. If you're looking to enter into a partnership, then you'll want to strongly consider getting a partnership agreement drafted. Without a partnership agreement, the Partnership Act 1890 will imply contractual clauses between you and your partners, without you even needing to sign any documents with those clauses. For this, make sure to have a partnership agreement in place that is bespoke to you and your partner's needs. Some of the clauses that you'll want to make sure are present in your partnership agreement include how profits and losses are to be shared, how much time each of the partners must dedicate to the business, and whether there are any non-competition restrictions on the partners. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, which covers a range of legal issues that are relevant for small businesses in the UK. Also, if you're interested in a free legal advice call, for example, to discuss which kind of partnership or business structure is best for you, I've linked my website in the description below.